gonna be planting corn on and we'll show the plant. This cucumber is ready to pick up. 2 and 3.
Ain't you happy? That's your planting, you planted.
I planted with you, Daddy.
Yeah, give me a high five. Give me a high five, baby. Yes, good job, baby. Good job. Now we got some cucumbers. What you gonna do with it?
We gonna cut them and make some salad.
Good job, baby. Good job. Yeah, this is still good. Look at this one.
I don't got this one. I want to cut this.
Look, they have another one right here.
Oh, it's a railroad. Treasure is the railroad there.
Yeah.
And the bug.
Don't worry about the bug. Look, cut this one.
Is down there.
Yeah, cut this one right here.
It's a snake. It's a snake. Daddy, it's a tiny little snake.
Says you're gonna match it. So put one again in the center.
Wait.
Right here.
There?
Yes. Right here. And then you're gonna put another one right here. And then you're gonna put 2 seeds in there. To open the bucket, you're gonna take 2 seeds.
2
Go ahead. How big is the seed?
I don't know how to pick one.
You have to pick one. It's big.
It's like this big.
Let me see. Is this big? Okay, put it in the hole. Okay, put another one in the hole. So you're gonna put 2 in each hole. Okay.
So we just put the seeds in so it covers.
How many you got more? How many you got left?
1, 2, 3. Is it one in there?
Yes.
Put everything. And 8.
Okay, so you got 4 holes left. So go ahead and cover them. Let me get the other 2 if you cannot reach. I'll get it.
I wish it.
You got it? Alright, good job, good job. Alright, so you're happy you plant some corn, you're gonna be eating some corn if it grow?
Yep.
You make sure you're gonna take care of it? Alright, good job.
So when we plant the corn seed, we don't water it.
Yes, we're gonna water it, but it rained yesterday, so we don't have to water it. It's the soil already moist.
Yeah.
Okay?
Dad, it has cucumber there.
Hey, where's the cucumber?
It's right here.
Oh, there. It's made, baby.
And we have another one.
Yeah, they got another one right here.
And another one.
And they have another one right here.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and pick them.
Okay.
What you gonna do with it?
We don't chop them and make some salad.
Good job, baby. Good job. So we have some more stuff to plan, guys. So
I was going to put some upper major
where's the tomato?
right there.
It have tomatoes in there?
Yeah.
I cannot see them.
So we'll pick them up.
So it's not, no, you cannot pick them. It's too small. It's just making. It's not ready to be picked up.
I did tell that's a joke.
Yeah, I know you're anxious for the tomatoes, but it's not ready. You have to wait a couple of days.
But that's a joke.
Watch me, Zara.
I say your studies is peppers and say the water things. Well, I know. Yeah, I want to just it. Let me just the pepper. What's wrong with this one? I don't know
Let
what's
me
wrong.
see. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with this pepper?
It's still good.
I have pleasure.
When you're done, give it to Zara. Yeah, cut this one. Move it on, Zara.
No, I prefer those brands.
Yeah, this is still good. Look, cut this one.
I don't want that this one. I want to touch it.
Look, they have another one right here.
Oh, it's a railroad. Treasure is a railroad there.
Look,
And
that
the-
one right here. See?
And then that's it, the railroad there. And
This
so,
one right here.
you will hold this for me and I will touch it.
But pick it up.
That hurts.
What happened? Look, they have one right here. They have a couple right here. Hold on. Not yet. Hold on.
Ah!
Run.
This.
This is okra.
Yep, this is also.
We got it. Start making.
Yeah.
You see? What is it? We got some right here. You see? You see it over here, Sage?
Yep.
Hold the leaves like this. Look, you see it right here?
Yep, that's up row. There's Tater.